In IssueTrack, if you have common issues you want to submit more easily, you can create Quick Pick submission templates. To create a Quick Pick, navigate to Administration, Quick Pick, and click Add. Your standard Submit screen comes up, letting you set the values on as many fields as needed. You can even use the subject and description fields to prompt for information. One benefit to using Quick Picks to submit issues is that you can include tasks using the Task Manager. This allows you to include the first part of a process, kicking it off in the submission of every issue using this template. Once you've filled in all the fields you need, click Save. To use your Quick Pick, click on Submit Issue and select the appropriate Quick Pick from the drop-down. The screen will refresh and any fields you populated in the Quick Pick will fill out. You would just need to add any details specific to that issue and click Submit. That's Quick Picks in IssueTrack.